Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered when you're watching YouTube why you're getting all these old videos or just videos with millions of views and stuff like that? I'm going to show you a way that you can improve your search. Okay, we're here on Chrome on YouTube, and these are some of the videos that I'm being recommended to right now. Usually it's worse than this. This isn't too bad, but sometimes there's some really old videos. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here on home hardware. Okay, let's see what we get. A lot of older videos, more older videos. Now what you do, type over here and search what you're interested in. I'm gonna type in computers. Now let's see what we got here. 9 years ago, 19 hours, 13 hours, that's not bad. 11 months ago, 1 year. Sometimes they're really old. What you can do to improve that is go to filters here on the right hand side. Click on filters. And over here you have last hour, today, this week, this month, this year. Or you can do it by duration. Okay, over here. I'm going to click on today. See if we can get some videos from today. Okay, and we're getting them right here. Get some newer videos. Another one. Another one. Another one. See how much more consistent that is? And that's the way you do it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.